Hello, my friends. Can you believe how fast time is going? August just flew by and kids are back to school. Things are just like changing so fast. It's time to start thinking autumn, fall, autumn, fall, and Halloween. And I have a feeling you might have missed one or two items that we had brand new on our website. So this is a little video that I just want to show you the overview of our August. Here we go. We started off the month with our Mushroom Fold It Card Club. Now, if you are not in the Fold It Club you cannot get this card. Do not look at it. That means you missed out. It is not available on our website. You need to be in the club to get something this exclusive. So go check out our Fold It Club and don't miss out on the next one because it would be really sad if you did. Okay, here we go. We started off the month with our Stamp and Die Hard Club. And let me just tell you, Top Banana. He has been so popular. I'm so excited that you love him as much as I do. Every time I see him, I just smile. He's just so cute. And we also released that groovy background, which has become very, very popular. Here he is on a little wobble. So much fun. Also included stencils if you wanted to. Here there's that groovy background again. You can also turn it into a card shaker with blue and making it water, which is gorgeous. Here's those cute little bunch of bananas. I almost said bunch of balloons. Bunch of bananas. So that add-on collection items included the bunch of bananas, which were so fun, and the double bananas, the couple of bananas. Then later this month, we released our cute little he's so cute, our little monkey with the little bananas. I love him. We also released Believe in Yourself and You Are Great dies, which are fun and just very nice to uplift somebody, right? Then came Sweet Pea. Now, Sweet Pea has taken the world by storm and has become incredibly, incredibly popular. Rest assured, my friends, more in this collection are coming. More other, I don't want to call them peeps because they're not peeps. More characters, I guess we could call them. I don't know, but isn't she adorable? She's a great way to start the collection, let me tell you. Then, dun, 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 autumn. The Slimline Fold It Autumn came out. Now, you don't have to make it a sign. You can also make it a Slimline card, but look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Then we released our birthday dog and bunny set, which are so cute, but it doesn't have to be for birthday. Look at this, just holding some flowers, which I absolutely love. Then, dun, 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 5x7. I know a lot of you love 5x7s. Well, now we have available 2 different tri-background dies of 5x7. Yes, I know they're very popular, so we're coming out with more, rest assured. You can also, though, change them into a banner if you want to. Use those elements to make it into a banner. So fun. Then we had our cute little lollipop holder. Now, yes, here it is as a card, but here it is as a lollipop. Halloween is coming up, so if you give out special treats to your little friends, make sure you get some of these lollipop holders that we now have. We have 3. We have a bear, a dog, and a bunny. So cute. Here we go. Ooh, because I messed up one time and I used this die, we now have it available on the website. It is the scallop pop-up die. I released this die ages ago with Sizzix and grabbed it one day in a video and didn't realize it wasn't on our website. So now it is. Silly, silly Stephanie. Ooh, we also released our half cuts. This is our fun coffee cup holder. Coffee cup. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fun? I love it. Then we re-released, because again, with Sizzix, I released this die set and it's become very popular once again. It's A2 or ding, 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 make it A7. This is on an A7, what's this one called? Trifold, A7 Trifold. Look how gorgeous. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that so much fun? I love it. Now, I took these items on HSN and let me tell you, they flew out the door. Didn't even make it to the airing, I believe. The Bow and Stars Embellishment Kit. It also includes glue, it also includes tweezers, and it also includes a pickup tool. Go check it out. Once it's gone forever. We also released our stencil binder. Now this has the free download that's on our website, printed out and put inside, but it comes, you can get it separately or with 10 stencils that I took on HSN. The 10 stencils are extremely limited. Once they're gone forever. And one more thing that we released on HSN that never made it to airing because it sold out so quickly, so we brought it into we brought it into Stamps of Life. 8.5 by 11 cardstock patterned cardstock. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's all my favorite designs. I put it all into one pad and so much fun. So go check that out. Once this is gone, it's gone forever. My friends, woo Nelle, what a month, right? Wow. Okay. I can't even tell you which one's my favorite because I'm madly, deeply in love with all of them. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. And don't forget, club members get 15 to 20% off every single item I just showed you. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.